Kodaikanal. The altitude of Kodaikanal is 2133 feet above sea level. The area of the town is 21 square kilometer. Kodai Lake is in Kodaikanal was built by an Irishman. The first boat into Kodai Lake were brought from Tuticorin. Kurinji is the special kind of flower grows in the Kodai Lake which is said to be bloomed once in 12 years. The word Kodaikanal means the gift of the forest. Silver Cascade Waterfall is a famous tourist attraction in Kodaikanal. Every third man in the town is called or named as Raja. The mushrooms that grow there causes hallucinations. There is a 500-year-old tree in Kodaikanal.